Alright, thanks. Today we are going to look at forestry in Kenya. If you are new to my channel, we deliver educational content, so be sure to subscribe. Let's get into it. So we begin with forestry. This is the science of managing and developing forests, including cultivating them. A forest is a dense growth of trees covering a large tract of land. So we must have the dense growth of trees, then the large tract of land aspect in our definition, or lands. Alright, let's go to factors influencing the growth of trees in Kenya. We have altitude, temperature, rainfall, type of soil, population distribution, soil drainage, the type of tree species, humidity, market. Those are some types of factors. Some factors influencing growth of trees in Kenya. We may have other different ones. Maybe you have been taught by your teachers other different ones. But here are the main key ones. We go to forest distribution in Kenya, how they are distributed. So we have forest in the coastal regions. We have also forest in the highlands, in the plateau regions. Basically, we are going to look at those ones. So let's begin with the coastal region of Kenya. So the examples of forest in coastal region of Kenya include Arabuko Sokoke in Kilifi region. You can see the Simba Hills, Kaya Forest, alongside many others. And we know that they are found along the Indian Ocean coastal belt. We have also mangrove forests, for example, which are at Kiunga. Let's go to island regions. They are found in the Kenyan islands in the altitude between 1500 meters to 2800 meters. But the key point is that they are found in the Kenyan highlands. So any Kenyan highlands qualifies to have an highland region, but the following contain the forests. For example, we have Machakos Hills, Nyambene Ranges, Mount Kenya, Kisii Islands, and many others. As you can see, I've listed them. Let's go to Plateau region. So under Plateau region, we have the Lake Victoria Basin, which has several volcanic hills such as Kwasi, Geberuri, Homa, Maragoli, alongside many others. Alright, I hope you can see them. They are on my screen. Let's go to the main types of forests which are in Kenya. Types of forest in Kenya. We have natural forests and we have planted forests. And natural forests, they have little or no association with man's input. Or rather, you can say they exist on their own. So they have little or no association with man input. Let's go to planted forests. These ones are grown and nurtured by people. For example, we have some examples in Kenya like pine, cedar, I think cypress. All those are examples of planted forest in Kenya. We have other classification of forests in Kenya. So these ones are, oh, my PC is running low. Classification of forest in Kenya. For example, we have tropical rainforest, tropical montane forest, dry forests, savanna woodlands, mangrove forests. Yeah. So under tropical rainforest, they are mainly found in the coastal region of Kenya. They are characterized by dense vegetation and high levels of rainfall and high humidity. Let's go to tropical montane forests. They are found in island regions, particularly on the slopes of Mount Kenya and Aberdare ridges. So they are found in highland regions. Let's go to dry forests. These ones are found in semi-arid regions of Kenya. The semi-arid regions of Kenya. They are adapted to low rainfall and high temperatures. Adapted to low rainfall and high temperatures. Just unfavorable weather conditions. Let's move to savanna woodlands, and they covers large areas of Kenya, particularly the Rift Valley and the north regions of Kenya. And they consist of mix of trees, grass, and scrubs. Let's move to mangrove forests. These are found in the coastline, along the coastline of Kenya, and they consist of salt-tolerant trees. You know that the ocean is salty. It's a salty water lake. The oceans are salty. So we have some examples of softwood trees in Kenya. For example, juniper, podo, pine. We can have also cypress. Let's go to tropical hardwood trees in Kenya. We have meru oak, Elgon teak, mvule, including the others who have been taught by your teachers. So let's go to benefits of forests in Kenya. So benefits of forests are they regulate local climates. We know that when evapotranspiration occurs, it brings rain-bearing clouds which can bring rainfall, hence regulating the local climate. It protects watershed, let's say from the canopy they form can protect watershed from direct evaporation, controlling soil erosion. We know that the roots of the trees hold soil particles together, helping control floods, regulation of carbon dioxide. Yeah, forests act as carbon sinks. So they maintain also ecological balance, and they are beautiful sceneries in our environment. That's why they attract tourists. They are a major source of foreign exchange for tourists to come to view them. Let's go to importances of forest in Kenya. I think that it's like they are the same with the benefits. Okay, let's read through them also. So forests provide utilities such as timber. Yeah, it's a source of timber, wood, fuel. You can also use it for construction. So they also act as water catchment areas, as we have talked. Hydroelectric power plants like Masinga Dam use water to generate power. Yeah. For example, if they are catchment areas, it means that there is a consistent water flow, which can have a hydroelectric power plant, if you put it that way. So we have forests manage global warming. Yeah, global warming. Establishment of infrastructure such as roads and enable ferry of tree logs. Yeah. A forest in Kenya can lead to development of infrastructure. Let's say for the tourists who will be coming to view the forest, we need good roads. Let's say an industry set around a forest, it will require good roads to transport the trees. Employment, let's say for forest guards in Kenya. So we have measures to conserve forest in Kenya. We have afforestation. Yes, planting trees where they never existed before. We have legislation is like coming up with laws which govern rules and regulations which people must adhere to concerning the conservation of forests. So you have creation of forest reserves, okay, like an area set apart for forest. Carry out research, yeah, like know the pests which destroy this forest and the ways which we can mitigate them. Educating people, yeah. If the public know the importance of forests in Kenya, then they will be in a position to preserve them and conserve them. We have agroforestry, grow trees together with crops in the same farm. So agroforestry is being encouraged because of the following benefits. Number one, to protect soil from degradation and erosion, to expand the habitats for fauna, to create beauty scenery. Measures taken in managing forests in Kenya, public campaigns, employee forest guides, establishment of training and research institutes, creation of forest reserves, research on physical environment and how it affects the growth of trees. Okay, problems facing forest in Kenya, we have forest fires, pests and diseases, urbanization, like it leads to illegal logging. You cut down trees to create an urban center. Of exploitation. This can lead also to extinction of some tree species. We have examples of forest in Kenya: Karura Forest, Kakamega Forest, Arabuko Sokoke Forest, Gatamayu Forest, Mau Forest, Gong Forest, Kereita Forest. And that marks the end of our presentation today. Hope you enjoyed it. We have more coming on forest. So be sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel. We post educational contents. So you are welcome.